one of the main differences with Scott and myself is that we're both trade qualified sign writers. So what that means is that we understand the correct materials to use in each circumstance. This allows us to exceed our clients' expectations when we're building their signage and putting together solutions.
So we specialise in all types of signage for multiple different industries, including automotive, manufacturing and construction, retail, and any type of business that you'll find in Brendale.